He says, Huzur, in the Holy Quran there are many verses that deal with the subject of slavery, but in the present world we don't see any such scenario about which we can say that these verses are related to.
But yes, in each case an alternative is given, so there is no flaw in the Holy Quran. If only freedom of slaves was demanded, then we could say that the Quran is an old book and it has been left behind time. But without fail, every time it says if you can't free slaves, the alternative is this. And sometimes fasting, sometimes just feeding the poor, so on and so forth. Yes.
His question has got another portion. Can I tell us? He says, in the present scenario, what are the applicabilities of those verses which are related to slavery?
That I've already answered. It applies to the present scenario as well because the alternative is also given. Moreover, it is wrong to say that slavery has altogether been abandoned. In Saudi Arabia, there are slaves, and also there are African American slaves, and so on and so forth. So slavery in some form does exist even today.